Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best Halogen 500W tripod work light on the market. The Woods 500-watt portable work light in yellow. Whether you're a contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just needs a powerful and reliable light source, this product might just be what you need. Let's dive in. This is a 500-watt halogen-powered portable work light designed for brightness, durability, and utility. Right out of the box, you'll notice the all-metal construction. It's rugged, it's tough, and it's clearly built for the job site. The first thing that stands out is the bright yellow color, not just for looks, but for high visibility, which is a big plus in dimly lit work environments. The halogen bulb is housed inside tempered glass, adding a layer of durability that gives you peace of mind. And there's a special grille called the Shadow Fighter. It's designed to reduce the annoying shadows typically caused by grills. That means better, more consistent lighting where you need it. One of the key advantages of this light is how portable and flexible it is. It's handheld, but you're not locked into holding it. You can set it on the ground, position it at multiple angles, or carry it around. Super helpful whether you're under the hood of a car, working in a crawl space, or lighting up your backyard for a night project. Now let's talk about safety and practicality. Heat is usually a concern with halogen lights, but this unit is designed to dissipate heat efficiently. That means you're less likely to burn your hand or damage surfaces, and the reduced heat also helps extend the life of the bulb. Speaking of the bulb, yes, it comes included, no extra shopping necessary. Power-wise, it features a 1-foot grounded striped power cord. It's short, which might seem like a drawback, but it's clearly made for setups where you connect to an extension cord. And with a voltage of 120, it's made for North American outlets. So keep that in mind if you're planning to use it internationally. You may need a converter. Dimension-wise, it's compact for what it offers. 8 inches by 8.5 inches by 12 inches, and it weighs just over 3 pounds. Contractors, painters, mechanics, homeowners, it's versatile enough to be used indoors and outdoors. Whether you're lighting up a construction zone, a garage, or even a party setup in your backyard, this light performs. Shipping to India is available, and while there is an import fee, it still remains a solid deal considering the durability and brightness it offers. You're getting brightness, safety, versatility, and durability, all in one simple package. For a compact halogen unit, it checks all the boxes, and that's why we're calling it the best Halogen 500W tripod work light available right now. If you've used this light before or have questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, in-depth reviews on tools, gadgets, and everything in between. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.